It's working, I think. Alright, go live faster, please. Thank you. Check before I start. Okay, we're good. We're good. Everything's good. Stream's good. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so I made a few changes since the last time that I streamed. I got done a lot more of the boring stuff, so today we're working on something that's fun, which is pretty crazy. Let me show you what I did. So basically, now when you connect to the server, you have like this little hub world, which is really small, and nothing's stopping you from just going out into the void. But, yep, there's a world. I added like some grass variations because I felt like it. Anyway, that right there, that circle, that's a monster. I know it doesn't really look like a monster, but it is one. So now if you press, or if you go to it, you go into a battle. And that ignore this circle in the health bar. That was a test thing as well. But then you can either win or lose the battle, and you get taken back, which is pretty cool. But I added a nice little flair to it because if I build and run this, and let it load, which is gonna take a while because it's stupid. Okay, so if we host and run this, come on, load faster, thank you. And we connect to the server. You can see the other player there. You can see me moving around here. And if I go into the battle, it says battling, and it like grayed out and stuff. So you can like see that, oh wow, this person's battling. Which is pretty cool. Anyway, that's about as far as I got. There's so many things here. Telepathy, more telepathy, so many telepathy things. I switched to telepathy instead of KCP. Cause it's TCP and I feel like that would be better. Okay. Anyway. So we're gonna work on this battle now. So let's get rid of the win and lose buttons because they don't need to be here. We're gonna get this to actually work. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is put the prefab in here. Battle monster prefab. And then, so the rough part about this, I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. So right now we just have like one table monster and that's it. Let's see. Oh, I just realized the fan is running. Hold on a minute. Ah, fuck. Oh, that hurt. Okay. I don't have the sounds of a vent in the background. Alright. So how's this gonna work? We have, so we could put the prefab in there first of all. And then we have a few things here that we could do. So we need, well, first of all, we need a way to get the player's monsters, which isn't that difficult, I guess, because we could just do player controls dot not instantiate local player. No, that's not going to work, is it? Because we need to get the network player. No, that's not that hard either. Network player. This needs to be a public static. Public static network player, local player, and start. If it is not a local player, else local player equals this. Okay. So now if we go into battle, I have too many scripts open right now. This local player. Network player dot local player dot monsters. I thought I put that in here. Monsters in hand. Alright, I guess I just need to public monster object get monsters. Return monsters in hand. Okay. So now we can do get monsters. We'll just do monster object player monsters equals that. And then we're gonna put this up here. We're gonna do battle monster array for battle monster. Oops, battle monsters. Very original naming scheme. And then we just do a for loop. Player monsters. Alright, but first we also need to get the opponent monsters. So monster object opponent monsters equals, that's actually going to be under player controls. Get opponent monsters. Now why is it under here? Because this is where we trigger the battle. This is a terrible system of doing things, but that's okay. Monster object opponent monsters. This needs to get organized then. Public monster object get opponent monsters. Return opponent monsters. Alright, and then on trigger enter. Before we do any of this stuff, we're just gonna wait, CMD set battle indicator. Okay, yeah. We're gonna do opponent monsters equals new monster object, and there's gonna be one monster, and that's gonna be a new monster object, new test monster, nope, test monster, nope, test monster. Okay. Now over here we can do battle monsters equals new battle monster length of player monsters dot length plus opponent monsters dot length, and we can set the player monsters for 1, 2, 3 and whatever. Oh, we also need to is a good way of doing it, or do I change it? I don't really know. I think I keep it. Whatever. Yeah, I'll keep it like this. Then we just save and player monster amount. Is there really like a point? Yeah, I guess there is. Okay, player monster amount. Player monster amount is equal to player monster dot length. Alright. I is less than player monsters dot length high plus plus. Okay, so this is just gonna be adding battle monster equals instantiate battle monster prefab, and this is gonna need kind of a new thing for the positions. We'll just use like a lerp function, I guess. Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. Wait. Is that gonna work? I'm trying to make sure the math adds up here. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. So like if we were going between 1 and 5, for instance, and we did a lerp. I can't do that on a calculator. I don't know, like a lerp function. Programmer part calculator. No, this isn't helpful. Graphing. Scientific. Crazy function. None of this is helpful to me. Because, like, if it's gonna lerp, it will. No, this is helpful. Because, let's say you were trying to go between. Or let's say you had one monster. That's still 0 divided by 1, which is still 0, which will put it all the way at the end. And if we did it 1 divided by 1, that's 1, which will put it all the way to the end. But we need it to be directly in the middle. In fact, that's true of pretty much all of it. That's just gonna happen. Yeah. Okay. Well, in that case, Well, then how do we do this? So we can like go from the center. And just go at a certain distance, I guess. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do vector. Well, we need to do the start position for team 1, start position for team 2. Oh boy. Here, those field transform. Start pause team 1 and start pause team 2. Vector 2 mon pause equals start pause team 1 dot position, and then well, this can be so like let's say we're going by like a space of 2 or something. It'd be 0, and then for every other one, so like the first monster, well, monster 0 would be there. Monster 1, which is an odd number, would be there, so that would be -2, and then 2 would be an even number, so then that would put it at +2. So essentially every 2, okay, times mathf dot mod. Wait, what am I doing? I don't know. I mod 2. That doesn't make any sense, does it? I think we need a new float. Change pause. Oh, we could also add like a spacing thing. Float monster spacing. Okay, change pause equals 0 plus new vector 3. Why is it a vector 3? Change pause 0. But whatever. Okay, that's fine. And one pause time is equal to I mod 2 is equal to 0, 1 else negative 1. Or no, if it, no, it's the other way around. Okay, if I mod 2 not equal to 0, then change pause plus equal to monster spacing. Whoops. Okay, so that should work. And then change pause quaternion dot identity. Why are you? Oh, whoops, because I did. That was supposed to be mon pause. Battle monster new mon. Okay. So now we can, or now we have the new monster, and then new mon dot init battle monster with player monsters. That is not the thing. There. And then we just do the exact same thing, but with opponent monsters. Alright. So now we should get the monsters. Let's try it. Just like the bit to go back to the title screen every time. Alright, we are not getting the monsters. Probably because I never set the prefab. That would help. In fact, there's a lot of things. Oh no, I did set the prefab. I didn't set the transforms. Let's see. Okay, I need to be able to like see what is happening. So this will be like here. Negative 2.5, negative 3.5, and 0. Team 1 start pause, and then team 2 start pause is going to be up there. Alright, and there we go. Alright. It's not gonna work if I don't have anything there. Oh, we should probably set the monster spacing as well. Yeah, okay, it is setting that. Okay. Alright. And boop. Didn't quite work. Oh, wow, it's not even making it in the right scene. They both went to the same place. Probably because team 1 pause, team 2 pause, but also spawning the wrong one, because team 1 is supposed to be down there. Team 2, team 1, yes, okay. Team 1, team 2. Why is it just like not spawning there? If it's opposite, I'm gonna have a stroke. Boop. There we go. And It's the wrong way around. Genuinely don't understand. Team 1 start pause, team 2 start pause, team 2 start pause, team 1 start pause is down there. And would you look at this? Just team 1 start pause, team 2 start pause. What? I don't get it. Well, probably because I'm multiplying this by... you should probably not do that, should I? That should be... change... pause... oh wait. On pause dot x. No, that wouldn't... that's definitely not what we're supposed to do either. Float c is equal to change pause times this. And this should be multiplied by c instead. Okay. Now it should work properly. But not that we're really gonna notice much of a difference. How have I already been streaming for 21 minutes? What? Okay, stop running. Start running. And that just doesn't work. Why are they both there now? No, because I copied and pasted it, so just both could be there. Makes sense. I feel like I want to also... hold on, is there another overload that... okay, there is. This. So I want to make it apparent so that maybe it'll actually be in the right scene, because right now it's not even in the right scene. Oh, whoops, I need to do transform. Kind of bad at programming. Okay. Load, please. Alright, here we go. Are we finally gonna get a working enemy or monster spawning thing? Yes, we are. Maybe. Hold on. Let me actually check. Oh, wow. It's spawning in the right place. Crazy. It's actually in the right scene now. Okay, and they're spawning in the correct positions. We got monsters now. That's pretty cool. We can simulate a little bit more depth by like changing the size of them too. But I'll worry about that later. Right now we just need to get a working system going. So now that they spawn in, we need to do like turns and stuff. So oh, you know what? They need an attack bar. Attack bar back. Attack bar front. Alright, this is gonna be tiny and a little bit below. Ooh. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright. Yeah, that works. Okay. So now we have an attack bar, which is awesome. We can go to Battle Monster and like set an attack bar and stuff. Alright, so init Battle Monster. What am I doing? Okay, attack bar. I guess the attack bar would be saved here, right? I guess it would be more organized if we just saved it in the monster object anyway. Current attack bar. So then basically what we could do is pick attack bar, current attack bar. Alright. So then this needs to be public as well. Yeah, I guess we should do set attack bar display. Probably should do that. And then that way we can say attack bar, okay, monster dot tick attack bar. Get attack bar, and we can do tick attack bar, current attack bar plus equal to speed. And then get attack bar will be current attack bar. I'll just use that so it's more organized and stuff. Got to get attack bar. Gotta copy and paste stuff now. Crazy. Oh, wait. Okay, so this is gonna be, we're gonna like go, at least for now, 500. F. Yeah, okay. I mean, this isn't necessary. Alright, and now ticking the attack bars are working. So we just need to go here and where is it? There it is. Okay. Battle manager, init battle. Alright, so after that we can do public void next attack or next turn. And basically I just could do a while battle monster next monster while next monster is equal to null. We're just gonna get a list of, or I guess it doesn't need to be a list, attack bar is equal to new and battle monsters. Oh, whoops. Dot length. Okay. So now we could just simply get the attack bar. Well, battle monsters I dot tick attack bar, and then attack bar I is equal to battle dot get attack bar, which we need to make here. Get attack bar. Maybe we could just do, yeah, that works, it's fine. Yeah, return monster dot get attack bar. This unit. Alright, so now it's taking the attack bar, then getting the attack bar. I guess we can also get the highest attack bar. And highest attack bar equal to 0 if highest attack bar index is equal to 0, -1. Okay. If highest attack bar, we don't really need to do that. If highest attack bar is greater than, okay, if it, we are going to set this to 0 so we don't have to do a special exception for this. If highest attack bar dot, no, if attack bar I is greater than attack bar of the highest attack bar index, then the highest attack bar index, what? Oh. Is equal to I. Okay, so now that should set everything correctly. And if attack bar, highest attack bar, highest attack bar index is greater than or equal to 500, then next monster is equal to battle monsters, highest attack bar index. Okay, so after it selects that, so like that should just keep going up. So after we select that, we I don't know. So after we select that, we can just I guess we need to get like which one it's attacking. One thing I should do is I should probably save the team that the monster's on in team. Okay, this dot team is equal to team. Whoops. Alright, and then back in here, team 0 and team 1. Whoops. Okay. So now we just need to get like a click. So like when the monster is clicked, it needs to know what it's doing. But first of all, I should probably save the current monster. Yeah, battle monster, current monster turn. I'll actually save that as an integer instead. Current monster. So current monster is equal to it's equal to -1. Okay. Current monster is equal to next monster. Okay. Bool taking turn is equal to false. So we're gonna set it to true here. And false, well, I guess we'll probably set it false somewhere else, but oops, okay. In fact, yeah, we are. Okay. Public void handle monster clicked. Battle monster clicked. If taking turn, not taking turn, then return. And then if current monster, if battle monsters, current monster dot get team is not equal to monster clicked get team. Then we can, that will say that that's a valid move, but first of all I need to do get team. And just needs to return team. Okay. So we're gonna get the team, and well, if they are equal, then just return. For now, I mean, some moves you just select the team because it would be like buff or something, but this one isn't one of those. Okay, and then battle monster, or yeah, battle monsters. Current monster dot usability. Wait, do I not have anything for this? I guess not. Okay. Public void usability. Ability monster or battle monster target. Monster dot usability ability and target. Okay. Target dot get monster. Get monster, return monster. Whoops. Okay. So we're just gonna use the ability. Easy. Dot usability 0 battle monster. Will be monster clicked. And then taking turn will be set to false. We're gonna actually set it to false before then, so there's no chance of using it 2 times or something. Okay, so now it's gonna use the ability, and now we have to add logic for detecting clicks, I guess. Yeah. Public void finished ability. Then we'll do next turn. This doesn't need to be public. Let's just get reference. There and there. Okay. I guess we'll just put next turn here for now. Okay. So it should be working now, I think. All right, network manager. Yeah, this is all good. So we should be able to just go into the battle. Oh wait, no, we're not, because we still don't have the ability to check clicks yet. Well, we can see the attack bar in action at least, or not. Object, really? Is this not set to? Oh, you know what? We're probably just overriding this, huh? No, we're just never actually. Alright, battle monsters I is equal to Newmon. And here, battle monsters I plus player monster amount. Alright. Now we should be good. Boop. Nope. Oh, now it's the attack bar. I never set the attack bar. Great. The joys of programming. Alright. Host. Crazy. This attack bar is almost full and this one is full. Crazy. Okay. It's working. We just need to make it so they can actually be clicked. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't actually know how to do that. So we're gonna look this up. Unity detect when object is clicked. Yeah, I guess that works. Raycast, just wow, that is completely unreadable. Okay. Oh, is that really just right there? Oh wow, it is. That's crazy. It's just it's really easy. All right. Then battle manager needs like a instance thing. Public static battle manager instance equals this, and then in here we could do battle manager dot instance dot handle monster click this. Okay, let's try that. Boop. Toucan says hi, hello. Okay. Boop. Nope, nothing's working. It's because they might be because they don't have colliders. That's at least like a debug.log, so we can know clicked. The capital L in there. That shouldn't be there. Oh well. Okay. Please hurry up. Come on. Thank you. I hate that. Okay. Colliders. Oop. Alright. This can just be a trigger collider. Alright. I have no idea if it actually needs a collider or not, but oh, crazy. Alright, the health isn't going down. Test monster. Testability. Wait, usability. Take damage. Monster that take damage. Wait, what? It doesn't have a take damage. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing, that's why. I see. Because nothing's gonna be like I have a take damage here. That's never gonna get called. So we're gonna have to set this an update. That's fine. mean, I don't really have, I don't really know how else I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it there, it's fine. It's not gonna slow down the game. It's less efficient technically, but I mean, it's like calculating a value. It's not like it's like a. No, it's not that bad. Okay, it is, however, setting it for both of them for some reason, which is definitely not supposed to be happening. It's also not resetting the attack bars. Okay. And then we can do battle monsters, current monster dot set attack bar 0. So now we get attack bar, we get to just do set attack bar. Boop. And attack bar. And monster dot attack bar 0. Okay. So we should be able to switch between them now. I missed. Oop. Or not. This doesn't make any sense. Wait, well, like, why is it doing this? Hold on a minute. Cause it's like, it's just damaging both of them for some reason. I don't really know why. Battle monsters. That usability. Boop. Yeah, it's clicked once and it, like this one. What in the world? Okay. Taking turns equals false. Usability, it's doing that. And the next turn, for some reason, just isn't working. So it's doing like debug.log next monster. Clicked. Handle monster clicked. Okay, taking targets false. Battle monsters, current monster, that use ability. We're gonna use the ability of monster clicked. Battle monster target. Debug.log used ability. So I could just see kind of what's going on. Like, is this being called twice for some reason? Come on. You can do it. There we go. Quick usability. Huh. Yeah, clicked in usability. So that only happens once. And for some reason, it seems like it resets the attack bar both of them. But why is it damaging both of them? I don't know. How do we make this serializable? System.serializable. And back in here, use ability from monster to monster. Test ability, take damage. That good attack damage. Good attack damage. Alright. I'm wondering if it's just setting it. Wait, actually, hold on a second. Oh. I'm not very smart. This is probably why. Alright. Oh, look at that. Now it's like working and stuff. Alright, that's pretty cool. The only thing is, it was supposed to reset the attack bar at the beginning of the turn, not the end of it. Next turn, it is. Literally is. Current monster go to the next monster, and current monster will even set it to the next monster. Set attack bar 0. Set attack bar. Oh, it's never. That's why. Set attack bar display. That makes more sense. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright, on the other hand, this looks kind of awful. But it works. Cool. Just want to check something real quick. Maybe it would be better to do this then. We're gonna set the attack bar display actually afterwards. I thought it would be better to do it before. But no, it's really not. So, basically if it's use the ability, then it's going to set the attack bar. Current monster, of course. Okay. Now it'll look a little bit better. And then we can start working on something else. I don't know. There's a lot of, okay, well, we still have the abilities that we need to work out. Or like, figure out how to do. Come on. And then, I don't know what else then. Boop. 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 Okay, we're gonna need an indicator that actually says which one Can't stay for long. Gotta compose something, but love your videos. Thank you. I'm glad you made it. Alright. These streams aren't the most fun thing ever usually, but I don't know, maybe if we're working with physics and we get funny physics stuff, but oh well. Right. What is this? I don't know what's going on. Current set attack bar. Okay, we're doing that. We need to do abilities now. Yeah, that's right. This is gonna be a little bit annoying because basically what we're gonna need to do. Oh yeah, I need to do an AI too. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do an AI after the stream. I'm not doing that now. Canvas. Let's go screen size. Okay. We'll match this 50%. Okay. Then we could do like the skill thing at the bottom. So we just need to do. It doesn't really matter what we do. We just do an empty game object. It's fine. And this needs to have a horizontal layout group. And then we got to do skill. This needs to be moved up. Get to 100, like 100, like 75. Just do that. That works. Upper left, more like middle right. So that when we nope, that went the wrong way. Well, I guess it would help if we actually made it like long enough though. We'd make it 1,000 and then we go boop and get a 550. 100. There we go. Right, that is way too big though. Don't force child expand. Spacing we could do 50. That might be a little much. Like 30. 30. Yeah, that works. All right. Skill or ability. That works. Okay. So this kind of needs like a name for the ability for now, and that works fine. Ability name. And we do an auto size. I need to make it actually readable. Test ability. There we go. That works. Next word. Perfect. All right. Prefabs. We can put that in. Whoops. No. Yep. Put that in there. Nope. That is not the prefab. No. Prefab unpack. I wanted to put that in there. There we go. Okay, so we have the ability thing now. This is gonna be like the turn or abilities. Yeah. There we go. All right, now in the battle manager. Public. Ability, get abilities, return monster dot get abilities, monster object. Now we need to do get abilities. Wait, not in here either. Monster. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, it's because that's a G, not a open Semi brace, whatever. Curly brace. Ability. Oh wait, I can. Okay. Cool. Monster abilities. Easy. Now, back in here, we just need to do. Okay, so this is working right. Right. Okay. We need to get the abilities selected. I mean, it doesn't really help that this monster only has one ability, I guess. That's okay. Fight. Guess we, yeah, okay, whatever, it's fine. We can add more functionality to this as we go along. I just need to test this out. Because we could do a selected ability thing. And selected ability equals 0 by default. And then down by handle monster clicked, we're gonna need handle ability clicked, and then and ability. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Ability, or if. Well, we don't have cooldowns yet, do we? Do we have cooldowns? No. Of course we don't have cooldowns. Why would we? Okay. Well then, we'll just do selected ability equals ability, I guess. Alright, and then... Great. What do we do now? So well, first of all, we need to give the monster a new ability. That's kind of the first thing. So we did like big attack. Whoa, that was a voice crack right there. Scripts, abilities, new ability, big test ability 2. Alright, there's just gonna be ability. In fact, we could just copy everything that's in here. Change this to 2. Attack damage, and it's gonna be times 2. It's gonna be twice the damage. It's gonna be beautiful. Cooldown of 1 though. Not that it matters much, because we don't have abilities yet, or cooldowns yet. Test, big test ability. Damage the enemy a lot. Battle manager. Okay, back here. We need to create the ability stuff, and we need to make sure we do this. Okay. You know, back at test monster. New test ability 2. Okay, so now we have 2 abilities there. So back here, we need a new prefab for ability prefab, and then we're gonna need ability button. Create a new sprite or script for ability button. Okay, and then in here, I just need a public void handle click, and then also a public void set ability or init ability button. Int ability. Okay, and then here we could just do battle manager. Whoops, battle manager. No, not battery status. Battle manager dot instance dot ability. Crazy. Okay. Okay, so handle ability clicked. That does that. And then where do we have like using it? Handle monster click. So instead of doing this, and we're gonna do selected ability. And then the only other thing we need to do is create the ability buttons. So prefab ability button. In fact, this also just needs a button. We're just gonna drag that in, and this can do handle click. Okay. So now the ability button is made, and we just need to create it. So here we got transform, no, not tracked reference. Ability button parent. Okay. Selected ability equals ability. Yay, cool. We also need a loaded ability button. We need a lot of things. Ability button. List of ability buttons. Loaded ability buttons. So then next turn, after it does taking a turn, whoops, okay. Well, first of all, we need to actually set the selected ability equals 0. Okay. So then what we're gonna do here is for each ability button in loaded ability buttons, we're just gonna destroy loaded ability button dot game object, and then dot clear, and then we could do for int I equals 0, I is less than current monster dot get get abilities dot length I plus plus. Okay, we actually need to just like abilities equals current monster dot get abilities. Okay. Loaded ability buttons to add. Oops. Ability no abilities. Oh. Hold on. Alright, tell you what. Create ability buttons. We're gonna like put all of this in here. And just do create ability buttons and then pass in the current monster. Battle monster. So that that's not cluttering everything up. Oh. Current monster. Okay. So now in here we just need to make a new one. Ability button new button equals instantiate. No, not instance. Instantiate. Ability button prefab. And then ability button parent. New button dot init ability button with I. So we're actually gonna need to do ability T's dot length minus 1. And abilities is greater than or equal to 0. So they do the opposite. So that's adding them in the right order. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, do we? Might not have to. I don't know. I'm kind of bad at this. Okay, and then we could just add the new button to there. Okay, get abilities is working now. No, it's not. We don't have. The get ability doesn't exist. I meant. Wait, we do have a get abilities. Right there. Get abilities. Oh, because this is. Never mind. I'm so bad at this. Alright, we're good. Everything's fine. Boop. Okay, well that did not work. Let's actually add prefabs. Ability prefab. Great. Oh no. I added this to the wrong. Thing. Whoops. 1920 by 1080.5. Okay, that's okay. It's working. Everything's fine. Except for that. Oh no, everything's not fine. Set back to like the normal scale. Okay, negative 550, 100. Okay, there we go. It's working again. We're good. Or it's working again. We got it right this time. Okay. Host. Boop. Let's know if we select 2. Oh, wait. Apparently I was right the first time. It didn't need to be this way. I is less than abilities dot length I plus plus. Okay, so it is supposed to be like that. The other thing is, under ability button, we need to actually set the text. Serialized field. What is this called again? Ability. Oh, whoops. TMP text. Ability name text. Okay. Ability name text dot text is equal to. Oh, wait. ability. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay. Ability dot ability name. Okay, there we go. And now under here we have to set this. Ability is I. Okay. Now, no, apparently we can't do this. Okay, that's cool. That's awesome. Do that. Okay. Now it should all be working. Correctly. And then we can do cooldowns. Host. Boop. Okay, well that didn't work. Probably because I never set the thing. I'm bad at everything. That's fine. Ability name can go in here. There. Much better. Now let's try that again. Host. Go in there. Test ability. Test big ability. Okay, cool. Now the only thing is I want to actually make it so that you can tell which one is selected. Back in ability button. Let's get the sprite render, I guess. Sprite render, or no, this is an image, isn't it? Okay. Image, ability, image. Okay, and then public void set selected, bool selected. And then we'll do ability image dot color equals color dot white times selected. If it is selected, then times it by 0.5, else by 1. Except this should actually be the other way around. If it is selected, no, that's right. Okay. So then under battle manager, we need to make it so that handle ability clicked. For int I equals 0. Load ability buttons dot count I plus plus. Loaded ability buttons I dot set selected ability equal to I. Hurry up. Boop, boop. Okay, that doesn't work at all. Sweet. Once again, because I forgot to set things in the inspector every time. Alright, also we don't want this to do anything. Okay. Let's try that again. Look at that. That is much better. I just realized it's also setting the opacity. Big ability. Test it. Also, it needs to select that there too. Selected ability and loaded monster ability 0. Dot set selected true. Okay. So now that should do its thing. Oh, and also I wanna ability image dot color dot a is equal to 1. Great. Okay. Color temp color is equal to ability image dot color. Temp color is equal to that. Temp color dot a is equal to 1. And ability image dot color. Nope. Equal to temp color. Okay, there we go. So that way it's not going to edit the opacity. Boop. Go faster. Thank you. All right, there we go. That's better. Sweet, it's working. Now, I guess we need to see set selected. cooldowns. I think cooldowns are probably the next step. So in here, under ability, we're gonna have a new image. Oop. And it's gonna have a sprite. Oop. And the sprite is going to be filled, yeah, like that. So we're gonna go from the top. Or counterclockwise. Yeah, like that. Okay. $225. That works. Okay. And then on top of this image, I need some text. And that will have like a number. Cooldown. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay. So we just need to add these in here. Ability button. Okay, we have ability image and cooldown image and ability name text and cooldown text. Ability image dot fill amount is equal to 0, and ability text or cooldown text. Or whoops. Cooldown image cooldown text dot text is equal to that. Blank. Alright. And then public void set cool. Oh wait, you know what actually? Because that's not gonna be loaded, is it? So we just need to do int cooldown. So we need to do, oh yeah, cooldown and int max cooldown. So you got to do float cooldown divided by max cooldown, and text equal, so is equal to cooldown is greater than 0, then max or then cooldown else that. There we go. Monster dot get ability cooldown I. And then monster dot get ability max cooldown I. And now here get ability cooldown then ability monster dot cooldown or current cooldown. I thought there was that. Nope. Okay. Current cooldowns. Okay. And then we're gonna do current cooldown is equal to new. Oh, what? New while? New. And with monster dot abilities dot length. Cool. That should work. Dot current cooldown ability. Current ability. Max cooldown. Ability. Oh, great. Dot cooldown. Cool. So now back to Battle Manager. All that is working. The only thing that's not working is the actual functionality cooldowns, which is kind of important. Ability. Maybe instead of making this abstract, we'll just not make it abstract, and then say, oh, never mind. If ability is greater than or equal to, then return, and if not, then use the ability, and then, oh, never mind, that doesn't really work for there either. Current cooldown ability is equal to monster dot abilities ability dot cooldown. Yeah. I want, yeah, that works. Okay. So just gonna get the cooldown. And inside the battle manager, just to make sure you can't click it if it has a cooldown still. If current monster dot, oh wait, if battle monsters current monster dot get cooldown ability cooldown ability is greater than 0, then return. Oh. Okay. Now it should be working. I don't think I've ever set these objects yet though, so I gotta do that in the inspector, and then everything shall be good. Cooldown image, cooldown text. I set this to cooldown image. Alright, let's try this again. Oh no. Okay, the cooldowns never go down. And also the first ability is always gonna be gone because of the fact that the cooldown is 0. Okay, if max cooldown, well, okay. To max cooldown is greater than 0, or is it, yeah, is it greater than 0, then do that, else do 0. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta fix the fact that the abilities never actually get cooldown. Okay, so first things first. Init battle monster. Okay, on turn start. Public void on turn start. Battle manager. So at next turn we gotta do battle monsters current monster dot on turn start. And during on turn start, oh no. int I equals 0, I is less than monster dot current cooldowns dot length I plus plus. Okay. Monster is equal, or monster dot current cooldown I is equal to math f dot max between monster dot current cooldowns I minus 1 and 0. Now the cooldown should go down, and we are good. Hurry up and load! Thank you. Okay. And boop. Test ability, test big ability, test big ability. Okay, so now we cannot. Nope. We can. Okay. I need to do it on the end of the turn. Public void on turn end. That's when it should reset the cooldowns. Alright, battle monsters, current monster dot on turn end. Yeah, so ability cooldowns do things on the turn end. Hurry up and load. Okay. Look at this. Test big ability. Test big ability. Oh, now it's just still up. Okay. Tell you what. To make this easier, we're just gonna do set the ability. Wait, where are we setting abilities again? I don't remember. Okay. Handle ability clicked. Handle monster clicked. Probably on usability. Where is usability? There it is. What? It's not here? Oh, is it on monster object? Yeah, it is. Okay. Plus one. There. Now it's not gonna just like deplete right away. Alright. Come on. Hurry up. Boop. Test big ability, test big ability. Now we cannot select it, so it's just gonna use the basic one, and now it's up again. Cool. I wanna try one more, yeah, I wanna try one more ability. not try it with multiple monsters. So abilities. Nope, that's not what I want. Okay. Test ability 3. Cool. Test heal ability. Heals self. So we're gonna take. Oh yeah, okay. 2 monster, or yeah, heals target monster. 2 monster dot heal monster. Oh yeah, heal health. Okay. Use target power up monster by 10 or by 20%. 2 monster dot get max health times 0.2f. So that's 20% of the max health by 20%. Now, 2 monster to heal. That's monster object. Okay. So under take damage, we also need heal. That's not heal. Heal health to heal. Cool. I don't know why it's yelling at me. Theft round int. Okay, hurry up. Faster. Come on. Right. It is so slow. Okay. Boop. Oh, I guess it would help if I actually... There are a few things I still need to do yet. Alright, first of all, we need public. Okay, well, we'll do this. Public enum ability interaction type. And it's gonna be enemy, ally, self. So kind of the 3 categories. Okay, public ability interaction type. And under test ability, interaction type is equal to interaction type dot enemy. And this is going to be the same for test ability 2. And 3 is actually going to be ally. Okay, so now under test monster, oh, you know what, cooldown is going to be 2 turns as well. Under test monster, we can do a new test ability 3. And then monster usability. Okay, so that should all work. I just do battle manager here, and now switch monster clicked or dot get ability, get abilities, selected ability dot interaction type case interaction type dot enemy, then do this. Oops. Dude, really gonna be yelled at me? Okay. Wait, no, never mind. That makes sense. Okay. Dot ally. Then if is not equal to, then return. And if it is self, if yeah, okay. There we go. So now the interaction type should work fine. Hurry up. Load faster. Now we'll see if the heals work. Okay, test heal. Alright, it seems to have worked. Now we're gonna, yes, we can't click it. And look at that, that also works. That's pretty cool. Healing. Test big ability. Oh, cool. It did. Alright, so that works. That's pretty nice. Healing works. And the self thing. So the other thing that I want to do then, well, there are a few things. That's not one of the things. I want to go to battle here. And let's just bring out battle monster real quick. And I want to do like a nice little circle here. And this needs to actually add a new one. Battle selection. Right there, okay. There's gonna be battle selection. It's gonna be like 3 by 2. 3 by 1.5, I think. Yeah, that works. The color is going to be that. So if we were to do like -0.5, yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, just like that. That's beautiful. So this is going to be the thing that shows us what is selected. Selection circle. Okay, and under battle manager, we'll just get the selection circle. Serialized field, game object, selected circle. Alright. So we can, like, at the start, actually we'll put that in here. Selected circle, oops. That's selected false. And then when it gets to next turn, what it's going to do is turn it on. So selection circle dot transform dot position is equal to battle monsters current monster dot transform dot position plus new vector 3 0 negative 0.50 and then select a circle dot set active true. Cool. Then I can set active to false again after when the turn ends. So basically just, yeah, that works. So now it should show me which one is selected. Oh, if I actually remember to set it in the inspector this time. Sweet. Alright, let's see if this worked. Come on, hurry up. And a boop. The selection circle is there, and it's still there, and there's still a dude in the middle of the battlefield. But yes, the selection circle is working. I just gotta remove this monster here. Get out of here. Actually, come right back again, because I want to add something else. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is add a circle. That is not a circle, that is a square. Battle UI. Okay, so this needs to be, this isn't even 0, 0, okay. 1. 0.3, 0.3. 1.2. 1.1. Cool. Can select squares. Square. This is gonna be a prefab. Okay, and then game object can select square prefab, and then game object loaded select squares. So then at the, okay, well when monster clicked, get rid of that. And we can say for each, oh wow, game object square and, no I said square, and loaded select squares. Destroy square, and then loaded selection squares dot clear. Alright, and then at the start of a turn, create squares. Wait, no, that has to be handled on, like, on the, oh wow. Clear squares. Nope. Clear squares, that's gonna go here. But we also need to clear, like, every single time an ability gets clicked. Create squares. Handle ability collect create squares. Okay. So wait, no, that's not where I wanted to put that. Just call it an infinite loop. Alright. We're gonna put that here. Create squares. I just stopped saying create squares so much. Okay, so switch. We can just copy this. I don't know why this is giving me an error. Oh, never mind. Right. Monster. Clicked. So, wait. Monsters. Battle monsters. Current monster. Battle monster. I got team. Oh, 4 and pi equals 0 is less than battle monsters dot length pi plus plus. And we're gonna put the switch statement in here. And we're gonna say battle monsters I dot get team. And then continue instead of returning. Oops. But then after it goes to the switch statement, it can create a square. So game object new square equals instantiate square prefab at new vector 2 battle monsters I dot transform dot position plus new vector 3. Actually, I don't actually remember what the or where it was supposed to select that. Oh, come on. Aren't there errors? Did I seriously not save an error? I'm gonna have a stroke. Okay. 1.1. And quaternion dot identity. Cool. Oh, and this is instance. Wow. Instance. I cannot. It is 12. It is midnight. Oh no, that's also just not what I wanted to do. Okay, square. Loaded. Select squares. Dot add new square. Oop. Cool. This is working. Well, I don't know if it's working yet, but the code is there, so it might be working. Or it might work. I really can't speak anymore. I need to stop streaming. That being said, the battle currently doesn't end yet. Can select square prefab. Okay. Title screen. So now they select the monsters, and then it will show you which ones you can select. If it ever loads. Oh yeah, look at that. That is working well. Hey, here we go, look at this, ready? Boop. Oh, all my abilities are on cooldown. Look at this, now we can heal and just select that so you can know which one to select. That is pretty nice. That being said, this battle is gonna go on for a little while as we just slowly whittle away at each other's health. That being said, we are doing more damage than we are healing, so it will end. Okay, I'm not gonna keep. There you go, he's dead. Insane. Okay, now that's probably be another thing. That should probably be another thing that we add though. Because if they're dead, we don't want them to keep moving, and if everyone's dead, we want the game to end, or the thing to end, the battle. So, the ability button. We don't need this anymore. What we do need is under battle monster. I mean, whether or not it's alive. Huh. Public bool is alive. Return monster dot current health is greater than 0. Okay, so that's that there. That's a live detection. And of course, because of the fact that nothing here is interacting with battle monster, we either need a way to get the battle monster, or we can just and a monster clicked. We just do it right here. It's fine. No, that's a stupid idea. Why would it? Why would we do it right here? We're gonna take damage. If current health is less than 0, then if get component. Oh, no. Great. This is no way to access battle monster. Huh. Public would die. This should still be active, like the game object. So we're gonna do canvas. So die sprite render dot game dot enabled equals false, and canvas dot game object that set active false, which I think this already is just the game object, right? No, it's not. Okay, well then we'll just do game object. Yeah, that works. Okay. So now under battle manager here, what we're gonna do is okay. If is alive, or yeah, okay. If not is alive. Okay, can't type. And die. This is a beautiful block of code right here. This is my favorite block of code I've ever written. We gotta save that somewhere. Oh my god. Best code ever. If not is alive, then die. It works, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, back to serious things. Okay. So if on turn start, then die. That works. Okay. Or if it is not alive, then die. I don't need the debug.logs. If not battle monsters, I dot is alive, then continue. So then they just never get done. First of all, we should probably check int equals 0, I is less than, like, okay, so like int t, okay, bool team1 alive equals false, and team2 alive, I is less than battle monsters dot length I plus plus. If battle monsters I dot is alive, and then if z dot team equal to 0, then team1 alive equals true, else team2 alive equals true. If team1 alive, or if it is not alive, then lose, battle lost. If not team2 alive, then battle won. Okay. Return. Cool. So now we check and we return things and we do more things. So that should work. Should actually be able to see whether or not we won. We just have to then make sure that they actually die. If they're not alive, then battle monsters I dot die. There. That should work. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Faster. Okay. Big ability. I need to add AI. But that is for later. Okay, cool. Of course, I never assigned the. I never assign the things in the inspector. I never do. So really do that. Okay, now it should all work. Of course, we're not really gonna see it because it's gonna end, but whatever. Like the battle is gonna end. That's okay. We should also probably set the attack bar to 0 when they die, just in case like the attack bar is already at 500 or whatever. Well, I don't think it'll actually matter. Yeah, it shouldn't matter. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway though. So when if they like get revived. Okay, so now we won. That's crazy. Die. Monster dot current attack bar equals 0. Alright. And then one thing I want to do under network player. Wait, is this where? Yeah, it is. Okay, monsters in hand. We're gonna add a new one. New monster object, new test monster. And then we'll do the same thing for here. Now we gotta wait for it to load, but here we can see if this even works. I'd like to say it would be a surprise if it doesn't, but nothing really seems to work first try, so. It'd be a miracle. That being said, it needs to load first. Oh, excuse me. And boop. 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 Oh. Oh, it's spawning, like, not correctly. Yeah, so this is just both at 3.5. This isn't right. Okay. Of course it doesn't work for it. That being said, the turns and everything seem to work. On turn start. On turn end. Okay. Battle object. Nope. Nope. What am I doing? Battle manager. Okay. Up here, this stuff here just does not work. Is that because of the spacing? Like this, I did set spacing, right? Oops, that's not even a scene. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, spacing of 2. Oh, I see. So, change pause. Yeah, this needs to be is equal to 0. I think. I don't know. Come on, hurry up. Oh, I wasn't even the right thing the entire time. Cool. It is really annoying because this is starting to take a long time to reload the scripts. I don't really know why. Boop. Alright, still doesn't work. Monsters facing. Float C equals change pause times I. What? Oh. What if we do that? Boop. Alright, please work. Hey, it worked. Now I just have to like do that for the other stuff. Now the only thing is, I don't think it's gonna work very well with 3, so I think we have to do like separate things for even and odd numbers. But that's okay. I'll figure that out later. Okay. Oop. Look at this. I could do all of the abilities. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just dead. What an idiot. Oh no. Okay. That's not supposed to happen. Hold on a minute. I need to make sure that to check if they're actually alive. Give me a second. Okay. Create squares. First of all, if battle monsters I dot is alive. Well, if they're not alive, that's not. And continue. And then under something rather. Clicked. If not monster click dot is alive, then return. Okay, so now it should actually recognize that people are dead and not do anything about it, or like not. Well, yeah, not pretend that they're alive. I guess that they're not attackable. Because it doesn't make any sense. Oh my god, hurry up. You're slow. Testability. And they're gonna heal, and then we're gonna use more abilities. Same, we're gonna heal, and then they're gonna use more abilities. Then big test. So now I can't click on them, and the things don't come up, and they don't come up here either, and it's not clickable. That is pretty cool. Alright. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'm gonna just do that. Alright. Sweet. It works. Everything works. It's beautiful. So, we got a battle system. That's pretty nice. See that one last time. Fully functional. Including support for healing and damaging and no multi-target attacks yet, or really anything. But yeah, you can do things. Boop. Boop and boop. Yeah, look at this. We can see all the targets. You can like choose which one to heal. It's all fully functional. Wait, did they become? Oh no. Alright, that's pretty cool. yeah, it's working. Well, I'm gonna leave this stream here then. I'm gonna do some more work on this. I'm not sure I'm gonna be streaming this again between now and when the video comes out, because there's not gonna be a whole lot of interesting stuff to stream. Like this one, I thought, hey, this could be kind of fun because it's making something a little bit cooler than backend and saving and stuff. But I gotta like save and make save files and accounts and I don't know what else I have to do. To make save files, make accounts. Make it like I had to add a lot of things. Alright, well anyway, I'm gonna leave this stream there, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.